So here we got a bunch of Deer RC products, drones, and car racing cars, and I'm going to go over some of my picks that you may want to consider when buying an RC car. So if you're looking for a remote control car for a kid that's maybe 5 to 9 years old, you may want to check out the DE42. It's got 80 minutes of play. It goes off-road. The controller is really simple. Now, if you've got a teenager at home or an adult and you want to get into the hobby of remote control racing, I would say a good starter car is their 9300 model. It's an all-wheel drive. It goes pretty fast, about 40 kilometers an hour. It's an off-road, super quick, little speedy car. Now, if you're really into speed and crazy maneuvers with remote control cars, you may want to look at two of their other cars. One is the Deerc 200E with a brushless motor, and it's got 2 shells. It's got all-terrain tires that are capable of crossing mud, dirt, rocks, pretty much anything you throw at it. And it comes with 2 7.4 1800 milliamp battery. And then there's the Deerc 9206E, which is an absolute monster of a truck. And I would say it's one of the best remote controls that this company has produced. This RC comes with metal differential gears. It's got oil-filled shocks. And of course, a brushless motor and 2 body shells in case you were to damage one. You're looking at about 25 to 38 minutes of play from our tests, depending on how hard you push the car. And the range on all of the RC cars that I mentioned is about 100 meters, about 330 feet. Now, all these cars and all their toys come with rechargeable batteries for the actual toy itself, but you will need to get batteries for the controller or the joystick. So that's why I recommend get yourself some rechargeable batteries, AA's, AAA's, so you can have them for a lot of play.